Hello, barattoonni keenya kan bakka hoddan jirtan akkam bultan, akkam ooltan, akkam waariitan. Our students all over the world, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and I hope all of you are fine. በዓለም ላይ ያላችሁ የአፋን ኦሮሞ ተማሪዎቻችን እንዴት አደራችሁ? እንዴት ዋላችሁ? እንዴት አመሻችሁ? እግዚአብሔር የተመሰገነውን ሁላችንም ደህና ነን። Our today's topic is about Afan Oromo alphabet. የዛሬው ትምህርታችን የአፋን ኦሮሞ አልፋቤት ሀ ብለን እንጀምር ነው። So this is the first session where we start from the beginning. ከመጀመሪያው ጀምረን የምንቀጥልበት ሴሽን ይሆናል. So we are going to focus on this. So the objective of this lesson is to make clear what difficult alphabets or what are difficult letters and sounds in Afan Oromo. Kaayyoon saa adda baasnee itti deemudha. When you look at Afan Oromo letters, Aba, Chada, Efa, Gaha, Ija, Kala, Mana, Opa, Kara, Sata, Uva, Wat, Ayaza. These are the sounds in Afan Oromo that we have. But what are the difficult words? What are the difficult letters to pronounce in Afan Oromo? Do we say Cha or Cha? Da or Da? So this should be made clear. So what are the difficult other words like difficult letters in Afan Oromo? Dano የምንለው ጫኖ ቻኖ የምንለው so በአፋን ኦሮሞ we say separately ለብቻ ነው። ካ ስንል is not like Carlos. ቃ ስንል is not like Kajela. It is Kajela. So these are wrong. We don't say Carlos as it is written here. Or we don't say Kajela. Kajela ማለት የሚጓጓ ማለት ነው እንጂ ቀጀላ አይደለም። ቀጀላ ደግሞ straight right ማለት ነው። What are the difficult letters that we proceed? For example, how we pronounce ta and a. So we are going to make clear these things. ይሄን አ ማለት ባለበት ታ ማለት እንደሌለበት ታ ማለት ባለበት ነው ጣ እንዳይል. So we are going to make clear. For example, Cha is not Cha. In Afan Oromo, it is Cha as in Chala, the name of a person, alright? Greater, ይበልጣል ማለት ነው። Chaltu, it is not Chaltu, alright? So the one we are talking about is Chala, Chaltu, Chabbi, Chubbu, Chuchi, Charra. So everyone should say Cha, not Cha, alright? Cha is different word in Afan Oromo. Cha is different letter, or sound in Afan Oromo. When we proceed, we don't say da. Da is not da, right? Da is a separate sound. So we have to say, or we have to learn to say da instead of da. Badada, someone say, not the same as saying badada. Badada is rich. Badada is something different, which Oromo will not understand. Daba, if we say planter or name of a person, it is not daba. It is not the same, all right? So when we proceed, we also we talked about what? Cha as ka. C and the K are not the same as in Afan Oromo. In Afan Oromo, say Carlos. We must use ka as kaka, kaba, kara, kubba, kuta, ko, ke. So ka, C and others are not the same. The same is true here also. We have ka and the ka. Q instead of K. Some people use Q instead of K, which is not right. Which Kajela and the Kajela are not the same. Kama means body. Ka, we have to learn to say ka instead of ka in Afan Oromo. Onna means agriculture. Oranno means research. Awe means sun, gun, Awe, sun is adu. So, in Afan Oromo, ha and the ta are not the same, you see. Ta is not needed in replacing one with another. We don't replace. Anna tan din takkawan chilim. He is as in tambo, taba, tasa, tafki. So, ta is this way. When we talk about a is another. For example, we may use ta in other ways. Ta may have different letter. For example, in English, ta itself has X, giz, z, she, or something like. So ta is in Afan Oromo, it is only one. At ano, X at ano represent የሚያደርገው እንደ አማርኛ ወይ ደግሞ እንደ እንግሊዘኛ I mean እንደ እንግሊዘኛ አራት ሳውንድ የለውም። It is represented by only X is represented by ta. So we understand like that. So in Afan Oromo, is very common and known sound. Abe, plate made of clay. Adde, porcupine. Jaart የምንለው ነው። Ayyara, aeroplane. Iyya, ray. Ikka, small. Uri, dirty. Or so in Afan Oromo is what? One letter, which is X, right? Ta is another letter that has a sound of ta. It will not represent each other. Andu አይተካም ማለት ነው። So if you are learning Afan Oromo, you are saying chalto, not chalto, right? Dada, not dada. Kajela, not kajela. Afi, not tafi. See you in the next class. So the next class will focus on other things. I thank you very much for attending. So chaltu ስንል ቻልቱ ማለት የለብንም ማለት ነው። If you have any question or wanted to learn Afan Oromo in more detail online, let me know. Thank you for being watching, for being with us, and keep it learning. That's a good job. All right. Guddaa galatoomaa. Afaan Oromoo kaa caa jenna, chaa jenna, isaan hunduu adda adda ማለት ነው. They are all different. We have to consider it as accordingly. Thank you very much.